Storing leftovers? Think twice. We all do it. We cook a delicious meal, we're excited if we have leftovers. Time to pack them up for another day. Leftovers can be a lifesaver, especially on those busy nights when cooking from scratch just isn't an option. But how we store the leftovers can make a big difference. Before you reach for that plastic container, let's talk about what you're storing your food in. It's easy to grab the nearest container, but have you ever thought about the material it's made from? Those handy plastic containers might be convenient, but they could be hiding a not-so-tasty secret. Many plastics contain chemicals that can be harmful to your health. We're talking about chemicals, and not the good kind. These chemicals can leach into your food, especially when the plastic is heated. When you heat food in plastic, especially in the microwave, some not-so-great stuff can leach into your food. This can happen even if the container is labeled microwave safe. No one wants a side of chemicals with their dinner, so next time, think twice about how you store and reheat your leftovers. Consider using glass containers instead. Your health will thank you. One of the biggest culprits in plastic is a chemical called BPA, or bisphenol A. It's used to make certain plastics, and studies show it can act like a hormone disruptor in our bodies. That means it can mess with our hormones, which can lead to all sorts of problems. Another concern is phthalates, which are added to plastics to make them flexible. These chemicals have been linked to reproductive issues and other health problems. It's enough to make you lose your appetite. So what's the big deal about BPA and these other chemicals? Well, studies have linked them to a range of health concerns, including hormonal imbalances, reproductive issues, and even some types of cancers. That's definitely not something to take lightly. We want to eat to nourish our bodies, not expose ourselves to harmful substances. It's time to find a safer way to store our food. The clear winner for you in your kitchen is glass. When it comes to choosing the best storage solution for your kitchen, glass is a standout. Glass storage containers are not only stylish, but also incredibly functional. Glass is a safe, inert material that won't leach chemicals into your food, even when heated. This means you can reheat your meals without any concerns about harmful substances. Plus, it's super easy to clean and doesn't hold on to odors or stains like plastic can. A quick wash, and it's as good as new, making your kitchen chores a breeze. You can find glass containers in all shapes and sizes, perfect for everything from leftovers to soups and salads. Whether you need to store a small snack or a large meal, there's a glass container for every need. Many even come with leak-proof lids, so you can toss them in your lunch bag without worry. These lids ensure that your food stays fresh and secure, no matter where you go. With glass storage containers, you get the perfect blend of safety, convenience, and style for your kitchen. Now that you know some of the dangers of plastic storage containers, are you ready to make the switch to glass? Fantastic! Transitioning to glass containers can be a game changer for your kitchen and your family health. Here are a few tips to get you started. First, start gradually. You don't need to overhaul your entire kitchen in one go. But hey, if that is how you roll, have at it. You can click in the description and check out some highly rated glass container sets that are wallet-friendly. When heating food in glass containers, just as you've done with plastic, always use caution as the glass can get hot. Use oven mitts or a thick cloth to handle hot containers to avoid burns. Allow the food to cool slightly before handling, and enjoy your delicious and safe leftovers. Glass containers are not only safer, but also keep your food fresher for longer. You've got this. Embrace the change and enjoy the benefits of a glassy transition. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy living tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.